Hello there, my name is Amara Parks and I'm a musician among other things, and today I will be unboxing, guess what? CDs for my album Far Beyond Me that just dropped a week or so ago. So, figured I would let y'all in. I'm not gonna edit this video, it's gonna be a lazy video. Gotta have a lazy one every now and then. Should be 100 CDs in here. Here we go. Guys, I'm so excited. I had to design these and stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay, look at this. Look at all these CDs. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look. Oh. My voice is still recovering from a night's sleep. But, oh. Oh my gosh. This is actually really cool. So this is the CD. It's just printed. Oh, it's really hard to see, but it's just black text that says Far Beyond Me. Oh my gosh. I gotta pull one of these out here. Oh, guys, this is surreal. Okay. So here's the fold out. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is legit. Okay, so I have lyrics for all the songs in here. Oh, guys, this is so cool. Oh, this is legit. Yes, yes, I can't believe it. This is good. Sorry, this is my raw reaction here. Oh, I gotta test this out in my car. I haven't even listened to music in my car yet because I don't have any fancy like way of linking it up to my car. I have an older car. It's an 03. Guys, this is legit. Oh, I am so excited. So I do have a wait list for this stuff. I mean, I only have I have less than 20 spoken for right now, just so y'all know. But if you are interested in a CD while supplies last, just let me know in the comments below. I'm willing to ship to you. It would be an extra charge, of course. They will be $12 each, and shipping would be additional if it needed to be shipped, but I'm willing to do that. So yeah, let me know if you want one. I don't know if any of you have heard the album on Spotify or YouTube, but if you want to kind of check it out before you buy it, that would be where to look. And then if for some reason I were to run out, I mean, I can always order more, but I'm starting with 100, so I don't expect to get big or anything, probably, so. My goodness, this looks so good. I'm definitely gonna have a release party. I mean, it's a little late for a release party, but I'm at a CD party. Oh. Okay, so there you are, an unboxing. I used CD Baby as my distributor, so I got to design and order through them. And it was really doable, really easy to figure out. So I'm really, yeah, very pleased with the outcome. Yeah. So anyway, thank you for watching. Please, if you haven't yet, give my album a listen. It's on Spotify, YouTube, and any other streaming service and platform. Follow me on TikTok at Amara Mariah, AMARAH, MARIAH. And yeah, thank you so much. Have a good day.